Hi there, I'm Carl. I'm the librarian that will be working with your class. Speaking to you from my high-tech media lab, aka my basement. What we're going to do today is I'm going to have a series of video segments that will demonstrate mostly items you can find on the library webpage that you can use for research for projects that you need to do for your class. So I'm going to kind of divide them up into chunks of several videos. So there'll be several in this series, and if you watch them all, we'll cover various resources that you can use in doing papers for classes, and especially the projects you have for this class. Okay, I'm going to switch over to a screenshot camera now, and we'll demo some of those resources. Thanks. Okay, so the first area we're going to look at is the library homepage, which is at library.cmo.edu. And basically this is a place to organize all the materials you have available to do assignments when you need to find sources for papers or other information. And I'm going to highlight some areas you might want to pay attention to here. First of all, this big search box in the middle, this is kind of an all-in-one search that searches articles, books, videos, all kinds of things. So this is a pretty decent place to start. Other things you might use are books and media, which is just our book catalog, which focuses on books we have in the building, which aren't of much use now, but also a bunch of ebooks and videos there as well. Articles and databases will probably be something you use a lot because for a lot of papers that you'll do throughout your college career, journal articles are kind of the main thing to hit for that. You can also use journal title search. If you have a specific article you're looking for and you want to find out if we have that journal or magazine in our collection, you can put in like New England Journal of Medicine here, and it will tell you if we have it in full text online. Subject and course research guides are sort of research helpers for different topics. So there'll be a biology research guide that would have books, journals, reference books that are relevant to the topic of biology and so forth. And then reference sources are just some quick links to things like Encyclopedia Britannica and a couple things we'll look at later. So that's just kind of the overview of the home page. A couple other things you might want to look at is this Ask Us has a chat reference service that's available. So this is almost 24/7 that it's available, and you can come here at any time and ask a question, and somebody, either a librarian in Kent Library or there's librarians around the world that participate in this that will answer your question. You can also set up an online one-on-one video conference with a reference librarian, so that's available as well. So those are the main things you want to look at on the web page, and in the next segment we'll go into this all-in-one search and take a little bit closer look at that.